What is path traversal? Path traversal means basically you are using techniques and guessing the thing to access a directory where you are not allowed. Suppose, let me give an example. Normally I'm sharing Google Drive with student. So suppose I share this Google Drive, suppose this one NRC. This the NRC paper. So normally student asking me that give me the images. So images I normally keep an extra folder suppose. And I share this extra folder, this the link with that guy. What he done, he will type this one in Google and browser and he will access this one. But he try right look at, let's see, maybe there is another folder, and he remove this one and type drive. So when he type drive, so he access the entire things because I already share those as well. And then he try to type something else here, try the course name, just guessing NRC, and he access the folder. So this is called path traversal. And this way you are guessing something and you retrieve more information where this directory you are not allowed. Maybe normally an organization they share a folder with you, but they give you a minimum link to share that folder only. Suppose I share a folder here, let me go to view and let hide this one. Suppose let me go to any folder, suppose this document, but inside the document suppose I share this zoom, and let me share this one, the specific one. I just share the zoom with you only, leave it permission. And what is the directory? I don't know what was this one. Yeah, this the link. And what is called, let me go to suppose here, yeah, let me type it here. So I access the zoom folder, but you try that maybe there is something open and you remove that one and enter, and you get more detail which you are not allowed to see that one. I know this is security hole, why we are creating a link like this one, that if suppose some try remove something and he get access more than that which is he not allowed, this is called path traversal. Normally you typed in website as well. Suppose in like this one is Google Drive, maybe you try here with something drive and then images, and you try you retrieve something else, you are just guessing and typing, and you say drive and then dot dot and you put something else, and this way you will access something more, and this way you will access suppose extra more thing which is you are not allowed. Now you access all the folder, I just share only extra with you. So this is called path traversal. So this is a vulnerability, is a security hole. You have to give specific permission and specific folder. If he try to retrieve more information, it has to stop them. But if there is a vulnerability, then you can access it. So let me go and show you there. So where is Windows 7? And let me go to 147, either this one. Okay, sorry, it will not work on this one, 127. And let me go to where is this one, yeah, security misconfiguration and directory browsing this one. I'm allowed only reach here, but I try to remove this one here, this link, and try something like, suppose I say, let's try, maybe there is images. And when I try, look at, I access images. Then I try here, type videos. Normally it's like this, yeah. And you access some videos. And then you try audio. You are just guessing and trying something. Like in images case, I get images, which is not allowed to me because my original link was something else. And this way I access these images. Otherwise, my link was this one up to this point. Can you see any images? No, because I'm not allowed to the images. This is the link they gave me to directory browser. But what I done, I remove this one and type that, yeah, normally there is images folder, normally there is video folder, normally there is audio folder. This is called path traversal. You got the idea? This is called, it's a small, this is a bendability just to show you, nothing more than this. This is called path traversal and we access the images.